I did try fixing this earlier, but it didn't work. It just pulled out more of the wood. So I'm going to have to cut this out. Sometimes these are screwed in two places and into the back, but it doesn't seem to be so in this case. I'm going to use my Sawzall, and I'm going to go just the other side of the wood there. I've just taken this out. This was actually stapled and glued, and I was going to use it the other way up. That's the side that was down. And then when I swapped it over, I didn't do a very good cut. It went its own way. And that part was glued, and this, there wasn't anything. I found this. It's a little bit deeper. I can cut the triangle, drill a hole in where I need it, and I can put that one in. I cut the 2x4 into a triangle, and I've put a hole all the way through. I'm hoping it's a straight hole because my eyesight isn't very good these days. And I am going to bash that into place. I think that's even. Now the others seem to be the other way around, and then you screw in, but this is going to be too deep. I'll just see what I can do with it. I'm going to put some Gorilla Wood glue on. Oops, well maybe I won't. Oh, maybe I will. Okay, I'm going to put Gorilla Glue on, certainly in the corner, because I think that's going to be touching. So I'm going to hold that in place like that, and with my nail gun I'm going to nail it into position. I'm going to see if I can tap that forward slightly. It's level there, but I've got to pull it forward so I can put it in the top. And I'm hoping this works, because really, for me, this kind of thing is not my forte. But if I go in at different angles, it should hold it in place. But that doesn't look right there, so I'm at a bit of... Oh, actually, if I run my fingers across the bottom, that doesn't feel too straight either, so maybe I'm okay. Secure the bottom cloth into place. Around here, I'm still going to secure it, although it's a bit lumpy. That's where it was secured before. It's not perfect. You have to do what you can with it. Thank you for joining me with this project. I hope you realise that you can pick and choose which bits of an upholstery project you want to do. In this case, we repaired one of the legs and gave new life to the old seat cushion, back cushion and lumbar. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the bell button if you want to see more from me, and a couple of thumbs up would be really appreciated, and then I can see how well I'm doing. Take care, see you later. Ciao!